This is 2026 and a lot of you still run your business without proper documentation. You don't have license to operate and you are running a brand that you want to become yours, or you are running a brand as your own, yet you have not carried out a corporate affairs commission registration for your business. You are just hiding, or maybe you are just deceiving yourself, because your corporate affairs commission is what guarantee you ownership. Okay, that's what guarantees that you are the owner of that business, and trademark as well. It guarantees that you are the bona fide owner of the business, but you have not registered the business and you are saying that you are the owner of the business. Okay, so your documentation is not just for you to own the brand or brand ownership. It also helps you when you are processing. Maybe you want to travel abroad, or maybe you want to go for a tour or something. They will demand for your certification. That's your business certification, something that will actually let them know that you are operating a legal business in your country, and if even if you travel, you can still come back to meet your business. Okay, that's especially for people that want to live abroad, maybe for a tour or maybe for visitation or maybe something. Okay, so it is not just for you to certify that you have a business in Nigeria. As well, it is also going to be is also a key document that will be needed when you are processing your visa to travel elsewhere, maybe travel abroad. So that's why we have this channel. We are not just creating videos for people to know that they have a business to register. We are as well teaching people on how you can be able to carry out this registration by yourself. So each time we talk about you registering your business free of charge, it means that you are going to be the one to carry out the 100% registration process. So you're not going to hire an agent, you're not going to pay anybody. All the money that you are paying is straight for your documentation. That's straight for your certification, and not to any agent. That's why this channel is here. We have created video on how you can be able to create your profile, that's your CAC public user profile, how you can be able, the information that is needed, how you can be able to navigate through the portal, and how you can be able to carry out a business reservation that can be able to keep your business name as long as 60 days. Okay, so once you reserve your business name, it can stay for 60 days and nobody else will use it. If you are not ready for registration, maybe you don't have the money for registration at the moment, you can reserve the business name for 60 days. Okay, then you can register within that time. So if you are carrying out a business registration by yourself, 100% you are the one that will carry out the process, so you are not paying an agent. That's why we say it's free of charge, because you are not paying for agent fee. And in our channel, we have created all the videos that is needed: your business reservation, your your business reservation, your business registration, that's your business name registration, your company incorporation, how you can be able to approve your CAC TRN certificate. That's how you can be able to activate the CAC TRN on it. That's your tax promise, how you can be able to use it, how you can be able to register for your individual and public, or individual or business TRN, and how you can be able to resolve your queries. Whatever that you encounter on your CAC registration process, you can be able to do it, resolve it by yourself, just by watching our videos, because we have created videos across all the topics in corporate affairs commission. Everything that you need to know about corporate affairs commission, we have created the videos on them. Okay, so I don't know why some of you will still be operating business by now in 2026 and you have not been able to register your business by yourself, and you are saying you are a CEO. You are not actually a CEO. You are just maybe using a name that somebody else might have registered, or maybe somebody else will still register before you. So the best thing is for you to actually make a move today and register it for yourself. So in case you are scared that I don't want to register it, maybe you don't want to risk your money, or maybe you can contact us for registration. So we will help you to register your business for you. Like, we can help you register it. So our charge is very cheap, because we actually do it for our customers, or maybe we'll do it for our subscribers. So in case you have somebody else that have not registered, you can use it as a side hustle. Okay, so we still teach people on how you can be able to use corporate affairs commission registration as a side hustle, where you can be earning maybe 15 to 20% commission after each registration. You can even charge more because many other people are charging more. So you can decide to know how much you can charge for your registration. So even if you have something else that you are doing, you can use this as a side hustle. In case you want to learn how you can be able to register for others, okay, so you can contact us. We'll still train people on how they can be able to register for other people as a side hustle. Or you can even use it if you are into cyber cafe, maybe you are doing online services. You can include this as part of your business, okay, and then be earning from registering for others. So in case you are interested in learning how you can be able to register for others, even though you are not an accredited agent, you can contact us. We train people as well on how you can be able to do this. So in 2026, ensure that you register your business. Ensure you register your business is one of the things that you should actually do for yourself and for your brand in this year. So in case you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification, because we'll be creating amazing videos like this. So you're welcome to 2026, and see you on the next one. Have a nice day. Bye.